here's the box that will come in. Let's open it up. There we go. We got all the pieces and all of the tools here. Put it together. And so we're going to unpackage it. I love how simple and easy this is. You just unbox it. It literally only takes 6 screws to put this together. That is it. And then you're going to get also an Allen wrench. You'll get 2 fenders. You'll get some silicone oil or lubricant. And then an open-ended wrench, a safety lock, a user manual, and a couple of pins. So now it's time to put the 6 screws in. While doing that, I just want to point out some of the multifunctions that this has. For instance, of course it has time and speed and distance, but this also has a heart rate monitor and you can do Bluetooth music to it. It has a manual incline of either 0, 6, or 12% and holds weight up to 350 pounds. It has 6 advanced shock absorbers and 5-layer non-slip belt, which is important for longevity. Some of the other treadmills only have like a 3-layer, which is not going to last as long and it's going to wear quicker. There's 12 built-in programs, and then you can link to the fitness app to stream everything on the Bluetooth speakers. And then to end the setup process, we're going to put in the cup holders, and then we're going to put the safety lock in last. Make sure that's clipped in. There you have it, a 30-minute setup complete. Look at how nice this looks.